Hello and good evening. Welcome to another video where we will talk about some important tips to handle the SBR exam. Now with SBR, what is needed, what is the expectation of the examiner is something different from other papers. The first thing, you need to know the accounting standards, the IFRS standards. You need to know them, that's the first thing. Now comes something else which many students make a mistake on. You will be given a case. There will be either a mistake in the transaction done by the question, or the question will ask you how this transaction should be treated in the financial statements. Now there is a common style how you can answer such a question impressively. The first thing is always refer to the standard which applies to that case. That's the first step you should do. Number two, applying the standard only will not work. You will have to give that relevant portion of the standard which does apply to the case. When we talk about IFRS 9, obviously you are not supposed to start explaining what is a financial asset, what is a financial liability. No, you have to directly come on the point what particular portion of the standard applies to the case given. Then the next thing you have to do is do some calculations or give some case briefing. Then the third thing, these calculations must be used to compare the facts of the case with the standard. And fourth and last thing, give conclusion. Let me sum it up again for you all. One, whenever a case comes, identify the standard which applies to it. With the standard, you have to give the relevant portion of the standard which specifically applies to the given case. Number two, give the facts of the case. Do some calculations. Number three, link these calculations with the standard which you identified. That means your discussion should be talking in terms of the numbers of the case and dealing with the standard. That what does the standard say and how it can be applied to this particular case. And then fourth step, give conclusion. Just take care of these things. Very likely, it will increase your chances of clearing your SBR paper in first shot. I'll come up with more videos for you all to do some exercise in the last days, but at least for SBR students, you have 7-8 days left with you. Daily 2 questions with this approach, you will still crack 15 questions. And 15 questions done in this manner also, it's a wonderful exercise to do. So do that, do not panic. Handle the exam carefully and systematically. Remember, you have to take marks from the examiner by showing him what he wants. Hope you will find this video helpful. If there is any confusion, any problem, do write that in the comment section. Thank you so much. Take care. Keep on studying hard. Bye-bye.